your attention span is getting worse, and modern life might be destroying it.
Welcome to NeuroSham, where science perspective and your brain meets its true potential.
You open one app, then another, You start switching one videos after another. You can't able to focus on one video particularly, and even the simple tasks starts feel boring. So why is this happening? To know this phenomenon very deeply, you need to understand the science behind it. Your brain is constantly adapting to constant stimulation. Yes, every reel, every video, every app, your brain wants something new immediately and fastly. Every reel is binging your brain to get extra dopamine, same with apps and other things. So the more dopamine your brain is getting, the brain is craving more to get fast and easy rewards. But the truth is, over time, your brain is getting less comfortable with slowness. Yes, the more you train your brain with fastness, with speed, the less it gets adaptable with slowness. That's why studying feels boring, reading feels boring. Not because you're weak, but because your brain has been trained in that way with speed. And the reality is, the modern apps are trained and designed in that way. Yes, it tries to capture your brain's attention as soon as possible. And that fast and easy dopamine that your brain is getting is really creating your brain to adapt to quickness and to fast dopamine system, and that is creating the overall damage to your overall brain and your health, because the more your brain gets interrupted during focus, the more difficult it is for you to increase your focus. That's why if you see many people nowadays can't able to sit quietly without checking their phone. The stillness feels boring, the silence feels uncomfortable and unbearable. And yes, nowadays the focus is rare. How do you fix it? How to recover your brain from boredom? To recover it, you need to follow 3 steps. Step 1 is less mindless overstimulation or mindless scrolling. Yes, the reels are the main reason that your brain is getting the most amount of dopamine, that is like overload. And the more dopamine your brain is getting, the less the focus will be. To regain your focus, you need to scroll less. Step 2 is practice deep focus. Yes, even 20 minutes of focus without distraction can retrain your brain. And on per day basis, it actually improves a lot. And step 3 is allow boredom. Yes, the boredom actually tries to improve your brain, because boredom is like a recovering phase for your brain. It recovers your brain to the natural type that it was earlier. Your attention is one of the most important things in your life. So protect your attention, because the more you give away your attention, the less focus you will be. And the way that the attention goes, your life follows. That's it. So thank you for watching my video. It's your Neurosom. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I'll be bringing more videos for you. Bye bye. Take care.